Preparing for the SAP Certified Positioning SAP Business Suite via SAP Customer Experience Solutions exam, here's the mistake that causes many candidates to struggle. They study product features. The new performance-based exam tests whether you can position SAP Customer Experience Solutions in real customer conversations. You'll face AI role-play scenarios where you must explain value, handle objections, and connect SAP solutions to business challenges. In this video, you'll practice realistic exam scenarios covering customer value propositions, business outcomes, and SAP's AI-First, Suite-First strategy. Let's start with the first scenario. Scenario 1. Positioning SAP Customer Experience Solutions. Situation. A manufacturing company uses separate systems for sales, commerce, customer service, and marketing. Customer data is fragmented. Executives want a connected customer experience strategy. You are the SAP pre-sales consultant. AI examiner. Question: how would you position SAP Customer Experience Solutions to address this challenge? Best candidate response: I would position SAP Customer Experience as an integrated portfolio that helps unify customer interactions across sales, commerce, service, marketing, and customer data management. Instead of managing isolated customer touchpoints, the organization can create a connected customer journey supported by SAP's AI-First, Suite-First strategy. Solutions such as SAP Sales Cloud, SAP Commerce Cloud, SAP Service Cloud, SAP Customer Data Cloud, SAP Customer Data Platform, and SAP EMRCs work together to improve customer engagement, increase operational efficiency, and support revenue growth. The primary business value is delivering consistent customer experiences while providing a unified view of customer information across the enterprise. AI examiner. Cross. Question: why is a unified customer view important? Best candidate response: a unified customer view enables teams to make informed decisions using consistent customer information. Sales, marketing, service, and commerce teams can collaborate more effectively, personalize interactions, improve customer satisfaction, and identify revenue opportunities more accurately. Scenario 2. Competitive positioning. Situation: a prospect is evaluating multiple customer experience platforms. The prospect asks why SAP should be considered instead of a standalone CX vendor. AI examiner. Question: how would you position SAP competitively? Best candidate response: I would focus on SAP's ability to connect customer experience processes with core business operations through SAP Business Suite. Many standalone solutions manage customer interactions effectively, but SAP provides end-to-end integration across customer-facing and back-office processes. This allows organizations to connect sales, service, commerce, finance, supply chain, and business data within a unified ecosystem. Additionally, SAP's AI-First strategy helps organizations generate insights and automate processes using embedded business AI capabilities. AI examiner cross. Question: what business outcome would resonate most with executives? Best candidate response: executives typically focus on measurable outcomes such as revenue growth, customer retention, operational efficiency, and improved decision-making. The integrated SAP approach supports all of these objectives. If you want additional SAP exam simulation exercises and more SAP scenario-based questions, consider practicing with realistic exam-style content available at pass4success.com. The more role-play scenarios you complete, the more comfortable you'll become with the actual exam format. Scenario 3. Customer value proposition. Situation: a retail company experiences declining customer loyalty and inconsistent engagement across channels. AI examiner. Question: how would you communicate SAP's value proposition? Best candidate response: I would explain how SAP Customer Experience Solutions help create personalized and consistent customer journeys. Using SAP Customer Data Platform and SAP EMRCs, the organization can better understand customer behavior and deliver targeted engagement. Combined with SAP Commerce Cloud and SAP Sales Cloud, these capabilities help improve loyalty, increase customer lifetime value, and create more relevant customer experiences. The value proposition is not simply technology adoption, but measurable improvement in customer relationships and revenue generation. AI examiner cross. Question: Why should the customer focus on business outcomes instead of product features? Best candidate response. Business outcomes directly support organizational goals and executive priorities. Customers invest in solutions to solve challenges and create measurable value, not simply to acquire additional features. Scenario 4. SAP Business AI Positioning. Situation: a customer is interested in improving sales productivity through AI. AI Examiner. Question: how would you position SAP Business AI within Customer Experience Solutions? Best candidate response. I would position SAP Business AI as an embedded capability that helps organizations improve productivity and decision-making across customer-facing processes. Within SAP Customer Experience Solutions, AI can support intelligent insights, sales planning, customer engagement, lead prioritization, and process automation. The objective is to help employees focus on high-value activities while improving business performance. AI Examiner cross-question. How does this align with SAP's strategy? Best candidate response. It directly supports SAP's AI-First, Suite-First strategy by embedding AI capabilities into integrated business processes rather than treating AI as a separate technology layer. Scenario 5. Sales Cloud Positioning Situation. A company struggles with long sales cycles and poor lead conversion. AI Examiner. Question: how would you position SAP Sales Cloud? Best candidate response. SAP Sales Cloud helps organizations improve sales effectiveness through intelligent insights, pipeline visibility, lead management, and strategic sales planning. By providing a comprehensive view of customer relationships and opportunities, sales teams can prioritize activities more effectively and accelerate the sales cycle. The result is improved productivity, stronger customer engagement, and increased revenue growth. AI Examiner Cross. Question: what outcome would matter most to sales leadership? Best candidate response. Sales leadership typically prioritizes increased revenue, improved forecasting accuracy, higher conversion rates, and shorter sales cycles. SAP Sales Cloud directly supports these goals. Notice a pattern across all scenarios. That's exactly how SAP performance-based exams evaluate candidates. Remember, the exam is not testing memorization. It's testing whether you can think, communicate, and perform like a real SAP consultant. For more advanced SAP scenario-based questions, continue with our SAP certification playlist, where we cover additional real-world exam scenarios and consultant-level exercises. And if you want even more practice, visit pass4success.com and continue building your confidence through realistic SAP exam simulations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing, because consistent hands-on learning is the fastest path to SAP certification success.